November, winter has set in and drones are whirling news all around us. Hey there, I'm Sasha and I bring to you all the happenings in the drones world. Starting with some big news sliding in. FICCI organized a bilateral interactive session with the Tanzania delegation for a possible partnership leading to the export of drones. Arunachal Pradesh was in news and all for the right reasons. The Honorable State Minister of Arunachal Pradesh inaugurated an ambitious project along with Tech Eagle to deliver the world's first vaccine via drone for animal husbandry. Northeast Olympic Games 2022 opened with 500 drones hovering over the stadium for a glitzy start to the ceremony, which was organized by Bot Labs Dynamics with the prior permission of the Directorate General of Civil Aviation. To facilitate the use of drones to reach out to untouched channels, Sky Air Mobility, the drone delivery technology firm, secured a seed financing of around $1.7 million, which was headed by Kairete Ventures. Drones will now ease managing the human workforce in your company. Yes, Drone Acharya acquires Drone Entry, which is known to be a workflow management tool for drone pilots. Drone Acharya became India's first integrated drone ecosystem startup, where Bollywood celebrities like Aamir Khan and Ranbir Kapoor also had taken up minority stakes in Drone Acharya innovation in the pre-IPO round. In the recently held business summit at Pragati Maidan, the DayBest signed an MOU with the government of Chhattisgarh to establish a drone manufacturing unit with an investment of 50 crores. News from Agri-drone sector. DGCA has approved a proposal to Acharya NG Ranga Agriculture University for imparting trainings on operating drones for agriculture and conventional purposes. In a bid to make farmers aware of the application of drones in farming activities, Syngenta India accomplished a drone yatra in 13 states traversing 17,000 kilometers. The 5th edition of FCCI Summit and Awards was conducted recently, where Marut Drones was awarded as the finest agri startup. Successful trials of transportation of 20 kg apple boxes were done in Rohan Kanda village of Kinnaur district by Sky Air Mobility in collaboration with Nichar Panchayat. Next, some news from government sector. The Indian government grants exemption to NTRO for framing the standard operating procedures regarding the safe operations of drones in red and yellow zones. Bangalore International Airport Limited has sought permission from MOCA for the same to use drones for photography and videography at Kempengowda International Airport, Bangalore. News from the defense sector. With a view to promote indigenous development, manufacturing and testing of drones, Counter Drones, the Indian Navy and Drone Federation of India joined hands to collaborate for the technological advancement. Kanpur is going to witness a communication testing facility which will be a part of Defence Industrial Corridor that will evaluate airworthiness, functioning and facilitating the UAVs in the country. In reflection to their growing ties, India and Israel inked a deal to develop next-generation drones for leasing, operation and maintenance of UAVs with a view to strengthen Indian Defence Forces. Launching yet another acquisition project for drones, the Indian Army is looking to induct 750 mini RPAVs for the elite Para-Special Forces to execute covert missions behind the enemy lines. News rolling in from the Indian drone industry. There was a security scare while PM Modi was conducting a campaign in Gujarat. An unauthorized drone was allegedly shot down by NSG personnel. 3 persons were arrested in this regard. Idea Forge backed the Outstanding Achievement Entrepreneur Association 2022 for TSSI Thane Small Scale Industries Association. Drishya conducted a successful survey of Khanak mines using a fixed-wing drone that surveyed volumetric analysis in the mining areas by conducting large-scale mapping work in various sectors of Haryana. The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has released an SOP inviting comments from all the stakeholders by December 9, 2022 for the use of pesticides by using Kisan drones. So friends, with this we come to an end to this month's Drones News Express. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in the description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas, and feedback. Thank you for watching. Do like our video. Do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel. To continue watching remaining exciting news from the drone industry, click the video link given in the description box above.